Away from the courses and bosses of business and away from family, so that we can sit together as a family and chart the way forward to discuss on how best to move our club forward. Our plan is so much that we needed a very serene environment to articulate them together, and we are going to do nothing but just that here. So we want to enjoy the scenery of Accra, we want to enjoy the beauty of this country. I want to use this lovely holiday resort to put our house in order, to put our plans together, and to articulate our ideas on how to move Akurulo forward, and above all, how to move back to our own country home, to our own zone, the southeast of Nigeria, and how to develop our place, to provide employment, and to make an impact in our own time and generation. That's what we're here.
There was a massive grand reception for you, the Igbo community, Eze Igbo Ghana, and that of Kotoka. How does it make you feel?
Well, it makes me feel elated that anywhere you go in the world, the Igbos are always there. Our people are everywhere, and it's a strength that we must begin to take advantage of. Wherever you go all over the world, the Igbos are always there to welcome their own, to celebrate their own, and to hustle, to work hard. What you see is the spirit of entrepreneurship, the spirit of hard work. That's what we represent at the Igbo nation, and we are proud to be here. I thank them very much. I appreciate them. All the groups that came to welcome us, we say thank you very much. We are always here for you. Thank you. We'll be proud that we came. We'll be so happy that indeed you have us to partner with. Thank you, my dear brothers and sisters. We are here to make a difference.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you. We appreciate you.